In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla heater not working. So let's get started. So first of all, guide yourselves onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and select the car that you own. Then proceed to choose the language you're compatible with. And then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the drop-down button for the climate section, okay? And here, you'll find a bunch of options regarding climate control on your Tesla car, which obviously includes heating options as well, or the heater, to be precise, okay? So I want you to have a good look through this section and have a good read at it. And if that helps you fix your problem, then that's great. If it doesn't, I do have more fixes to share with you, okay? So first, check your climate settings. Open the climate control panel and make sure the temperature is set to a comfortable level. If the fan speed is too low or the system is in eco mode, it might not produce enough heat. Try increasing the temperature, raising the fan speed, and switching to auto mode. Next, reboot the system. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches affecting the heater. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen turns black. After a few seconds, the Tesla logo will appear and the system will restart. Once it's back Once it's back on, check if the heater starts working normally. If that doesn't help, check for software updates. Tesla frequently releases updates that fix bugs and improve system performances, including climate control issues. Go to Controls, then Software, and see if an update is available. If there is, install it and test the heater again. Another thing to consider is exterior conditions. If you're in extremely cold weather, your Tesla's heat pump or resistive heater might take longer to warm up. Preconditioning the car through the Tesla app before driving can help. If the heater is completely unresponsive, check if your car is plugged in. Sometimes heating functions are limited when the battery is extremely low. You can also try a full power reset. Go to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Power Off. Wait about 2 minutes before pressing the brake pedal or opening a door to restart the car. This can help clear up more persistent issues. If the heater is still not working, inspect your cabin air filters. A clogged filter can restrict airflow and make the heater less effective. Tesla recommends replacing these filters about once a year, depending on driving conditions. Finally, if none of these solutions fix the problem, reach out to Tesla support through the app. They can run a remote diagnostic to check for faults and help you know if a service visit is needed. So guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.